Hello, my name is Jay and I'm the Clinical Services Manager here at Intus Healthcare. In this video, I'll explain how to use your humidifier on your AirSense 10 CPAP machine. Humidification is an optional add-on for the AirSense 10 CPAP machine. Some people choose to buy a humidifier to minimize a dry mouth, which is a common side effect of CPAP therapy. A humidifier is designed to add moisture to the air that is delivered from the machine. This helps to resolve common symptoms associated with CPAP use. A humidifier is a small water chamber which slots into the side of the machine. The chamber should only be filled with distilled water and changed daily. Remove the side cover of your AirSense 10 by pushing the top button in and pulling the cover out at the same time. Fill the water chamber with distilled water up to the max line. After this, simply click your water chamber into place and you can start therapy. Your machine will automatically detect the water chamber connection. However, you may wish to adjust the humidity level to your preferred comfort. For optimum comfort, you have the option to purchase a separate heated tube, which is different to the tubing supplied with your machine. The heated tube will work together with the humidifier to increase the temperature of the water as it passes through the hose. You can also adjust the temperature of the heated hose. You are advised not to use tap water in your humidifier. Using tap water will decrease the air quality being delivered from your CPAP machine. This will shorten the lifespan of your humidifier. Benefits of using distilled water in your CPAP humidifier include 99.9% purified air, eliminates and reduces mineral buildup, no microbes or chemical contaminants. Adding humidification can help resolve sneezing, cold, uncomfortable airflow, dry mouth and nose, sinus congestion, coughing due to a dry throat, headaches. Cleaning your CPAP equipment is very important and it will optimize the benefit of your therapy. You should clean the water chamber daily to avoid any deposits building up. Avoid cleaning your CPAP humidification system with any substances that would be harmful to breathe in. This includes bleach, chlorine, alcohol, and any other potentially harmful substances. Always refer to the manufacturer's cleaning guide. We have helpful cleaning supplies for your equipment. If you would like to find out more about these, visit intushealthcare.com. You can find our customer reviews on Trustpilot and Google. For any advice or guidance, call us on 0800 024 8050 or email us on contact@intushealthcare.com.